Alright everyone, let's check in, drop our suitcases and print our boarding passes. Now, who has got the passports?
All of your passports are with me. What's next, Dad?
Step 2. Security check in passport control. Remember to take off your shoes and put your bags on the conveyor belt.
Step 3. Departure gate.
What's step 4, Mom?
Step 4 is waiting. We wait here until they call our flight.
Good morning, this is the pre-boarding announcement for Flight 3074 to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring
The
special...
flight attendant is calling us now. What are we going to do?
Can't you guess?
Now we have to queue to get on the plane. We queue up, present our boarding passes, and get on the plane.
Our seat numbers are 20A, B, and C, and 21A and B.
I will sit with Dad. Mom and you two can sit together.
Okay. What's the next step, Dad? I know. Step 5 is when we land and collect our bags and head to Auntie's house. Wow, look at that. We are landing now. Is that Italy, Mary? Yes, it is. Wow, it looks amazing.